Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into GMX Mail, fast fix step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type gmx.com in the address bar and press enter. Once the GMX homepage loads, locate the login button. The login button is usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login screen. In the first field, enter your GMX email address. Double-check the spelling of your email address to avoid errors. Next, move to the second field by clicking on it. Enter your password in the second field. Ensure your password is correct, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you want to remain logged in, check the Remember Me box. When you're ready, click on the Login button. Wait for a moment as your credentials are verified. Once logged in, you will be redirected to your GMX Mail inbox. If you encounter any issues, make sure your internet connection is stable. Ensure you haven't forgotten your password. If needed, use the Forgot Password link for password recovery. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. That's it, you're now logged into GMX Mail. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.